What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have some new casters. I'm gonna try to put this under my little cube thing. You know, the cube thing that everybody gets from IKEA that they use for their YouTube videos and stuff like that in their studio. So I got this to move the cube, or to put under the cube so the cube could be easy to move. So it's basically almost like 4 by 4 inches, but 4.33 inches by 4.96 inches. All right, so let's just open this thing. All right. This is pretty cool. All right, they have no brakes, okay? They got something there where you can screw. Got a little spacer here. Guess you could put it on a table. Not put it on the table, put the table on it. All right, we have pads. We have a lifter. Oh, this is neat. So you can actually lift up something. If you're doing this by yourself, you can lift up your furniture and put the casters on. So the load capacity of each dolly is 125 pounds. So with that being said, with 4 of them, it will be 500 pounds capacity. So these are 360-degree turning wheels. You have pads that you could put on here. And this is a removable sticky. They also give you some square pads. All right, so let's test these bad boys out. Okay, you guys, so this is the cube thing that I'm talking about that, you know, people use for their YouTube channels when they're doing their little podcasts or their blogs or whatever. So, yeah. We are going to try to put wheels on it so it's just easier to move. So here is the lift that came with this product. All right, so the way we're going to do it, we're going to put it under, and we're going to try to match this corner with this corner so it could be even on this side. And then we're going to go to the other side, and then we'll... All right, so you must be careful when you do this. So we got this right here. This one on this side. Drop it down. And that's it. There we go. Oh. Well, one wheel came off. I think it's because it has no weight on it. That's why. So that wheel came off on the bottom because the cube actually has nothing on it. So it's kind of light. But for right now, it's good just to push around. All right. And that's that. Y'all saw the casters already that I did a review for that. I'll drop a link to that too. Other than that, I'm gonna look for some casters for this file cabinet. And I'm always using casters. Easy to move stuff around. And yeah, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe.